Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint and tap on I agree. As you can see here, we've got the information that first of all we have to set the lock screen password because otherwise we will not be able to set the fingerprint. So just tap on continue. Of course, if you've got the lock screen currently set, you will be just transferred to the step with adding the fingerprint. And here you have to pick the lock screen option, and we've got also the information that do your best to remember the lock screen because it will not be retrieved and you will have to hard reset your device if you will not remember it. So right now we have to set it, redraw it in my case because I've got a pattern. And as you can see right now we can add the fingerprint. Here we've got the animation, what we have to do. So basically just put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the right side on the power button. So let me do it. And right now we have to do it simply multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So just put your finger after feeling the vibration, release it, and then do the same. Okay, right now we have to add the edges of our finger. Alright, we've got it, so just tap on done. I don't want to enroll my face. And this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or delete it if you want to. You can add another also. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, and the screen unlock is marked by default. Of course, you can turn it off if you want. Here you can decide what you want to do after unlocking, so enter the home screen. And here we've got the screen of unlock light touch or the firm touch. Basically, if you will pick the firm touch, you will have to put your finger on the sensor and then also press the button. In the light touch, you will just have to put your finger on it. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on it, wherever it is. Okay, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.